Yeah, that's happening.
That's what the poster's going to say. That's the tagline. It's perfect. Yes, February 25th. I'm so excited. Thank you for helping me out.
Our pleasure.
If possible. And thank you for sort of showing how it's done, guys. You've been quite the beacon for us other podcasters that got
trailblazers.
After you
We like
guys.
to think of ourselves as trailblazers.
Trailblazers, yes. And I'm there to take the branch in the face as you walk past. Yes.
I kind of like the metaphor. Beacons in the gloom, perhaps.
Candle in the
Candle in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's very nice. Thank you, George.
It's
A lamp in the fog.
Big deal. A spark in the gas bucket.
Oh, nice.
I
like that one. I'm just curious, what are we going to do in 66 episodes? It's got to be something special.
Ooh.
Oh, it'll be special, all right.
Come on.
Yeah, that's right.
It's all backwards. Well, Steve is a genius.
Damn, you're good at that.
Homework. Drink milk. Do your homework.
Brush your teeth.
Listen to your burns.
You're a little too good.
Entire
at that,
backwards
George.
show.
Yeah, it's like...
No, we do it. You know, like, remember the Twin Peaks where they spoke backwards and then played it backwards?
Bizarre.
So we have to record an entire episode backwards and then play it so that it sounds.
You learn it phonetically forwards. And then I'll do that 2 years later. Don't worry about it. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it for you guys a couple years later.
George, one last thing. One of my favorite things, 2016, was when you did one of our shows with your characters.
Yes.
Oh, that was hilarious.
The April 1st episode of
that was great.
Did we talk about that on our show? I don't know if we did, but that was so much fun. So what George did, listen to the episode, but he basically did an entire episode of the SGU. He did the dialogue, but with his characters from the Geologic podcast. So it was, obviously no one else other than us can have this experience. But I'm listening to the show and I'm thinking, God, this dialogue sounds awful.
Yes.
I know. Then it dawned on me. It's like, he's doing. First of all, my first thought was that you're doing a show like the SGU.
Yeah.
Then I realized, no, he's doing an actual SGU, because then I started recognizing
transcripts.
He's doing the transcript of an episode. Then I'm like, I wondered how long you were going to keep it up.
Right.
But of
There's
course,
no way he's going to do 45 minutes.
Yeah, but you did the whole episode. But
it was classic.
That was
wonderful.
It was Bizarro World, because I'm listening to things that we said, but I'm listening to other people say them. And it was as close as I guess that I could come to listening to one of my own episodes. Because, because it wasn't us. And I remember thinking, God, this guy's smart.
Well, it's that thing of, the artist can never really experience the art the way that a viewer can or a listener can. Like Pink Floyd can never hear Dark Side of the Moon. They just can't because they were involved in every incremental aspect of it, unless there's some massive brain injury. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun for you guys to maybe just get a slight appreciation of how good your show actually is, just having my guys do it and give you a sort of sense. It was fun to figure out who was going to be who. Okay, so Steve's got to be the Russian patriarch character. He's got to be that guy. So I'm glad it came across the right way.
It was fun.
It was fun. So,
my favorite matchup was Bob.
Was it really?
Yeah, I can't remember. He was.
Rupert McClanahan.
Rupert McClanahan.
Because it's great. It's cosmic rays. You don't understand. It's so great.
That's bullshit. The best matchup was me being Mortimer.
Mortimer was obvious.
Well, you have a Mortimer fetish.
Jay, the thing is, when Bob got into his exasperated mode, Bob's exasperation with a Scottish accent was just perfect.
I have contemplated paying George to do another episode just so I can.
Maybe 666. We'll figure that out.
Oh my God.
That'll be perfect.
Thank you all for joining me this week.
Thanks, Steve.
Surely.
Thanks, Steve.
George, thanks
Congrats.
as always for joining us. It's always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thanks, George.
Likewise, thanks for having me. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you,
You
George.
too, George. Congratulations on hitting 500. We look forward to seeing your live show and helping you with that. And everyone, until next week, this is your Skeptic's Guide to the Universe. The Skeptic's Guide to the Universe is produced by SGU Productions, dedicated